friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my Hobby Lobby haul from yesterday. It is Sunday. Today is Easter. Happy Easter to everyone. Hope you get a visit from the Easter Bunny. My daughter is getting married, so she needed a card holder. So they had this wedding card holder, bird cage, and I picked that up for $7.49. It's originally $29.99. And then I got they had a whole bunch of ribbons marked down for clearance. So I got some patriotic ribbon, 2 bolts of that for $1.99 each. I got 3 of this black and white for $2.49 each. And then 4 of the wired black and white check ribbon. And those were $1.49 each. And then this dark navy blue for $1.99. I got 2 bolts of that. And then 2 of the smaller navy, like a dark navy blue for 49 cents. I'm going to use that for the corsages and boutonnieres and everything for her wedding. And then this, I'm going to write cards on and attach it to the bird cage. And then I got a big old photo album for her. It says our wedding. It was originally $22.99 and I got it for $6.49. But anyway, so that's my Hobby Lobby haul. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this haul, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.